Experience the StoneTree Precast Concrete Fence Wall advantage. Why choose StoneTree fence walls? The benefits of StoneTree fence walls include highly defined textures on both sides of the wall due to the vertical manufacturing process. Each wall section includes both the panel and the column, which are integrated in the manufacturing process, compared to other systems where the components are made separately. The benefit of this connection is that it increases the speed of construction and provides greater safety factors. StoneTree products are versatile in design and can include features such as lighting and security components. The product also includes reflective sound barrier properties. As a result of the component structure of the wall, taking care of a repair is easier than conventional masonry. StoneTree systems are available in a variety of textures. This is accomplished by using an interchangeable liner system. Our standard texture designs include ashlar, weathered brick, split-faced block, ledge stone, stacked stone, new brick, slate block, and coral stone mixed with split-face block. StoneTree fence walls include a wide variety of applications, such as precast concrete boundary walls, decorative perimeter walls, residential side yards, visual screen walls bordering residential projects, utility perimeter and security walls up to 16 feet or 4.8 meters high, sound and noise abatement walls, custom architectural walls, as well as standalone concrete columns. StoneTree specifications include the following: concrete strength, generally a minimum of 5,000 psi or M35 compressive strength at 28 days. Reinforcement, all walls need to be engineered to meet local codes, taking into consideration wind, soil, and seismic conditions. Coloring, coloring is achieved by adding a water-based concrete stain and sealer applied after the installation process. StoneTree walls can be built to be bullet resistant and can meet UL 752 Level 4 bullet resistance specifications. The technology comparison between StoneTree wall systems versus traditional technology include the following. In addition to the StoneTree wall integrating the column and panel wall sections as one piece, the StoneTree wall sections are generally wider than other systems. Typically, columns are set 15 feet or 4.5 meters on center. More traditional systems where the column and panel are made separately are generally at closer distances apart, typically about 12 feet or 3.6 meters on center. The smaller stackable wall systems use a concrete post or column, generally set about 5 feet or 1.5 meters on center. StoneTree walls use AFTEC's proprietary rigid footing support system. Pier footings are placed every 15 feet or 4.5 meters on center, and a 4-inch or 10 centimeter steel I-beam is embedded into the footing. The I-beam usually protrudes out of the footing to about half the height of the wall. Benefits of using this construction method include faster installation with a strong footing and wall connection. The footing can be engineered to meet a wide variety of site conditions. Using a rigid support is safer to install as no bracing or grouting is required. Each wall section self-aligns as it's set in place. Using footing set further apart allows for dodging underground utilities when necessary. The rigid footing support system works in the following way. Each StoneTree wall has a groove cast into the column. This groove fits over the protruding I-beam, creating a very strong connection. With most other systems, when a wall section is set in place, it generally requires temporary bracing until the footing is completely secured. With a rigid footing support, the protruding I-beam is already secure and therefore does not require any additional support. This provides for one of the safest and fastest ways to set a large panel concrete wall system in place. Grouting is not required to structurally secure the StoneTree wall system in place, unlike other systems that use a grouted cell connection, where concrete has to be poured down each column to secure the column to the footing. Following is a step-by-step description of the StoneTree installation process. Once the footings have been constructed, the column and panel wall sections are brought to the fence line to be set in place. The column end is set over the I-beam, while at the same time interlocking with a panel end already in place, creating a tongue and groove intersection. Each wall section is then aligned between the structural supports and lowered into position. Once the wall section is in place, the rigging is removed and the installation process continues. After all the wall sections are in place and any minor adjustments are made, a concrete cap is secured to the top of each column. The fence wall installation is now complete and only requires colouring to complete the project. StoneTree walls are used on a wide variety of projects. Following are images of how StoneTree has been used in different types of construction.